Kristen. I'm the Senior Event Planner here at the Executive Experience. I've been in the events game for about 10 years now, and it is such a fantastic space to be in. I get to coordinate with people and help bring their vision to life, talking to people, connecting them with one another, and connecting them to the brands that they want to be a part of. Here at the Executive Experience, we want to serve you in all the ways that you need. So if you need help with your media, if you need help with events, we're here to provide those services to you. Whether it's a corporate engagement and you want to do a team builder, or if you want to host a networking reception, that's something that we can bring you. If you want to put together a new brand package for your organization, we'll sit down with you, hear your vision, hear your needs, and bring our expertise to the table to provide solutions for your organization.